Okay, our to-do item model contains the list we want to show in our view, and in order to show in view that list, we need to pass that list through our view model. So view and the model, they don't communicate directly. Instead, they are using view model. Its purpose is to prepare data for the view. And the way view model and view communicate is to public properties of the view model. So I need a property which will store the list of our to-do items. So I need one new property, and this property will be type of observable collection. If you are not familiar with observable collection, this is a dynamic data collection that provides notification when any item is added, removed, or when the whole list is refreshed. So if we change any item in our collection, the view will be automatically updated. This observable collection is generic, and we will store our to-do items in here. Let's call this items, and what I need to do is to populate these items. So this is a new observable collection of to-do items, and data comes from the model layer. In this case, this is to-do item, get to-do items. Next, we need to update our view. So we want to show in the list view the list of to-do items. For that, I need to use list view.item template and use data template. For now, we can store it in our text cell. The property text of the text cell is going to show our name from the to-do item. And the way we connect that is through binding syntax. So we have our parentheses and we type binding, and after that property which we would like to bind to. We would like to bind to the name. And we also need to provide the source for our items. So item source will be binded to our list of items. Now, if we try to run that, we will see that nothing happens. This is completely normal because we are missing one last step, which is data binding from the view to the view model. We use binding context property available in our view in order to connect view and the view model. So binding context for our to-do view is to-do view model. Okay, if we run this now, we have our list of to-do items. Great!